Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing the Xiaomi Mi Home Security Camera 360 degrees. So let's open this. Now in this box you have the accessories. This is a mount, the plug, and obviously, as always, the manual. But I doubt that people actually read this. But if you have time, please do so. Now next comes the camera. As you can see, it is wrapped up, and there it is. It's the latest from Xiaomi. It's a security cam. Once you connect it, you will be able to view the room which you are filming at any time from your mobile. It's a good security, and it is also good if you have pets, to keep an eye on them. And also, the other feature is that it has a speaker, so you can speak to your pets while you are away from home. So guys, I have just finished setting up the Xiaomi. It has some really cool functions. All you need to do is install the Xiaomi Mi Home app on your phone, and basically you can view your room anywhere, and you can also take photos and everything. I highly recommend this, and also the sound, the speaker, it's of very good quality. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And in my opinion, this Xiaomi security cam is a really good thing to buy. Thank you for watching.